Good morning, all. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn writing part. Before we learn how to write alphabet, we are going to learn about patterns. In pattern, there are 4 patterns: standing line, sleeping line, slanting lines, and curves. In slanting lines, there are 2 types: right slanting line and left slanting line. In curves, there are 4 types: left curve, right curve, up curve, and down curve. So children, are you ready? Okay, shall we start? What is this, children? Standing line, standing line, sleeping line, left slanting line, and right slanting line. Now curves are there: left curve, right curve, up curve, and down curve. Okay? This is our hands-on learn English uppercase letters book. Wow, we have to open the page number 7. Turn the page one by one. Very good. Like this. One by one, you have to turn the page. And you will get page number 7. Wow, this is our page number 7. In this page, you can see a comb, utensils, bow and arrow, and flag. In the comb, there are so many standing lines. And in utensils also, there are standing lines. In bow and arrow, there is a sleeping line. And in the flag also, there are sleeping lines. We are going to do the standing line first. Okay, hold your pencil. Put your pencil on the top of the line and go slowly down and draw a standing line. From top to the bottom, draw a standing line. Well done. From top to the bottom, join all the dots and make a standing line. Well done. In all the standing line, you have to do the same. From top to the bottom, draw a standing line and finish your comb. In utensils, from top to the bottom, make a standing line. You have to do the same. From top to the bottom, make a standing line. From top to the bottom, make a standing line. Say, standing line. Very good. Standing line. From top to the bottom, you have to make a standing line. You have to join the dots from top to the bottom and make a standing line. Very good. Now sleeping line. From left to right, draw a sleeping line. From left to right, join all the dots and make a sleeping line. Well done. From left to right. From left to right. Well done. Now turn the page. Wow, what is this? Tent. In tent, we are going to do slanting line. Left slanting line. Very good. Left slanting line. Now, right slanting line. Well done. Right slanting line. Well done. Slowly you have to join all the dots and make right slanting line. Well done. Now curve. left curve. Well done. We have made left curve. Now right curve. Right curve. Join all the dots and make a curve. We have got a circle. Now again left curve. Well done. Now make a right curve. Again we have got a circle. Again we will do the same. Well done. Left curve and right curve. Very good. Beautiful. Well done. We have done it. Now this page we are going to do later.
Children, did you enjoy pattern writing? Yes? We will do again. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.